Okay, so this is just a quick video to show how to replace a USB module on a Docking Drawer International Trio. So pretty simple. Obviously, you're going to take the cover plate off first, and you'll see this inside the cabinet. 2 Phillips head screws. So these screws are small, so try not to lose them. And then this whole thing is going to come out like this. And you can see there's wires in there. You can remove just this module by pressing these little tabs here. So it's 2 on each side. Kind of press and pull at the same time. And that module will come out. Then you'll need a small Phillips head screw driver, right? Where you're going to get in there and remove these wires. Note that there's a line and a neutral wire. So the line wire is brown and the neutral wire is blue. Okay, and they're indicated by an L and an N. So the brown goes to L, blue goes to N. So replace it, put these back in. Blue goes to N. Brown goes to L. Okay, make sure those are secured pretty tightly. Give them a little tug to make sure that they're not going anywhere. And then this just snaps back into place. Goes back into the docking drawer. And then replace the screws. Obviously, before you do this, you're going to unplug it to make sure that there's no power to it, right? Goes without saying, but just in case, that's what you're going to do. And that's how you replace a USB module.